Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Metal Gear Solid 5 online. First, make sure your game is fully updated to the most recent version. A stable internet connection is absolutely crucial for a smooth online experience. Once updated and connected, simply navigate to the main menu and select the option to access the online mode. This will get you ready to dive into the action with other players. Forward operating bases, or FOB, are a core part of the online experience in Metal Gear Solid 5. You'll build and customize your own FOB, then work to defend it from infiltrations by other players. Conversely, you can also infiltrate rival FOBs to steal valuable resources and personnel, expanding your own base. It's a strategic game of offense and defense, offering unique challenges and rewards. Beyond FOBs, Metal Gear Solid 5 offers various online events that rotate weekly. Participating in these events allows you to earn event points, which can be exchanged for exclusive items, weapons, and gear not found elsewhere. Some events even encourage collaboration with other players, fostering a sense of community. Keep an eye on the event schedule to maximize your rewards and enhance your gameplay. To truly succeed online, focus on upgrading your FOB's security devices to deter infiltrators. Also, continuously research and develop advanced weapons and gadgets. These are vital for successful infiltrations of enemy bases. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Mastering these elements will significantly improve your online performance and overall enjoyment. Good luck out there, boss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.